Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Canvas, Chain, and Wings. Kiwi's been going at that. The white and the brown chew toys there. I have to look up what they're made out of. I forgot. Oop. Spirit's being mean. Kiwi's just doing that. Spirit, be good. There's other chew toys, but they're after that one. And there is one over there that's a little different. I think they like the ones that stick out and spike out or are hollow. Try to be quiet. Now they're shaking. That's good. That's the day in the life of Spirit and Kiwi. Shenanigans. Oh, they're so cute. Quick video here, just a few minutes long. Trying to do bird diaries, so this will start day one of that. Bird diaries. Kiwi and Spirit diaries. A day in the life of a hate-love relationship. They're so cute. They're so pretty. And the other day they were so cuddly, and now they're doing this. Be nice, you two. Alright, just a quick 5-minute video or so. Like I said already. And I'm starting a new crochet project. And I won't reveal what it is yet. So stay tuned and watch Canvas and Wings. Canvas and Chain to find out. Which is the same channel. But I like to call the episodes the Bird Diaries and Canvas, Chain, and Wings. Sometimes I say Canvas, Wings, and Chain, so you might hear that too. I think it's getting close to their nap time. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. We shall see you in the next. Bye for now.